Hey, how you doing? I don't know if you can hear me through the Waterfalls sound, but it's a cloudy day. Temperatures are here around 57 degrees. I'm in Middletown, Connecticut, Wildwood State Park, doing a 2-mile hike. And not the best day for pictures, but still beautiful. Oh yeah, now it's starting to rain. I got my IKEA hat. Keeps me dry. I'm in Cannon, Connecticut now. This is called the Great Falls. Pretty cool, easy to get to. Woohoo! Look at that. Now this is Kent State Park. Another beautiful fall here. This would be a nice place to come in the summertime. Nice little covered bridge. They got barbecue grills and tables. Nice easy path to the falls right there. You can see parking lot not that far. You could walk right to the falls right there. Now I've been here during the summertime. This place gets really busy. You have to come really early to find a parking spot here. But it's a beautiful fall. Very easy to get to. They do charge you a fee to park. If you're a Connecticut resident, you park for free. Now if you want to hike to the top of the falls there, very easy stairway. You don't have to be a hiker to get up here. Just a few stairs and it takes you all the way to the top.